and welcome to another Rosie Your Realtor show. Today we have Chad Winn from F&M Bank. Hi, Chad.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Great.
Awesome. And now I said F&M Bank, but really you're with mortgage department with the bank, correct?
Right. It's F&M Bank, Farmers and Merchants Bank. We are our own mortgage department because the reason I say it like that is because F&M has its own lending department also, where they keep all the loans in-house. They do a lot of commercial loans, a lot of LLC, different types of construction loans. So whereas we can do, your FHA, VA, Fannie Mae, rural housing loans. So, and then we sell the loan immediately once we close and fund.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, and this episode is a little unique to me because historically, I've almost always used mortgage brokers. But I know your institution is a little different, and so I felt like I absolutely had to get you on here. But before we get too much into that, tell me a little bit about yourself, Chad.
Okay, well, let's see. I've been here since 2008 with F&M Bank. I've been doing mortgages since 1999. I was originally born in Virginia. My family was from Clarksville. They moved back in 1988. So when I was a sophomore in high school, I've been here since then. So pretty much this is home to me, home to my family. I've been married 27 years with three children. One still in grade school, fixing to be high school. One in college, one that's already graduated HVAC school and is working here locally at Action Air. So things are just going fast like life does.
Oh, yes, that's for sure. It sure definitely goes fast. Well, awesome. So tell me a little bit about, if you want to do the bank or bank and mortgage, tell me a little bit about the institution because obviously you guys are a local bank as well.
Did you ask a little bit about our programs? Is that what you said?
Just like your not so much. We'll get into the programs in just a second, but a little bit of, or if you can now, if you want, because that's one of the things I know makes you unique as being a bank. Obviously, you're on the mortgage side of it, but your mortgage side of it is very unique.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, go ahead.
So it's, as far as our programs go, or what realtors like, what buyers like, our services is, that we're in-house. We underwrite it right here in Tennessee. We close it, we fund it with our own funds. So we're not waiting on anybody an institution to send back a number to the attorney or title company. We just fund it in our name, and then we worry about taking care of that after the fact. So 20-day closings, 30-day closings are the norm. We have some unique programs that we offer. One in particular, it's called the Welcome Home Program. It comes out every March. It's to help for down payment and closing cost. It goes away real quick, but like this year they've added where they're going to bring it back in July, where it's always been March till the money ran out. Now they've saved some funds to where we're going to open it back up in July. So be on the lookout for that. We do a lot of THDA financing, which is a great program for the state of Tennessee. It's income based, your credit score 640 or above. They look at the debt ratio pretty tightly, but it's a great program. And you can also back that program, which right now it's a $6,000 assistance help for you. But you can also back that with a rural housing loan, which the county loan, it's already 100% loan. So you don't need a down payment for that loan. But what you can do is use this $6,000 to help on the closing costs. So it's kind of like a double whammy, we get a lot of praise about our interest rates as far as what we offer. There's not a lot of companies that go lower than we do. So we do get compliments on our interest rates and our closing cost. So, basically we can do pretty much anything from 620 and above. So if it's under 620, we're not going to be the lender for you, but I know there's other,
I don't know.
Right.
See out
But
there,
there's
right?
other lenders that can do that. So you need to have, multiple lenders in your bag.
Absolutely.
Right. So, but yeah, so we're going to be on the 620 and above. Um, there are some things that we can take to the bank side, like you mentioned before, like how we're different, how we talked about how we're different. They can get a little bit creative, also. So that could help too. But that's in a nutshell what we hear that the realtors and the customers like about F&M Bank. And it's been a bank since 1906. And
Wow.
it started right down in Dover, Tennessee. So it really does have the meaning of hometown. We have branched out. Now we have some offices in, Springfield, Nashville, Murfreesboro. I mean, so now we've got one in Hopkinsville. So even Kentucky. So we've branched out to Kentucky, but you are going to get a hometown feel with F&M Bank, and
Awesome.
having that
Awesome. Yeah.
name means a lot.
And I know we were speaking Friday and your rates were extremely competitive. I was quite shocked. And I know you have amazing reviews around here because just historically, when I give clients multiple contacts, they tend to pick brokers, but you have a pretty good track record here. So I think that's
We
about to
try.
change with the
We
interest
try.
rates and the quality service and so forth. Well, very exciting. So, Chad, if somebody wanted to contact you directly, what's the best way to do that?
Um, I I enjoy the good old fashioned cell phone call. So that would be 931-237-3015. You can also find me on Facebook. You can also find my email address, which is simpleschad.win@myfmbank.com. And for those who like to apply for their mortgages securely online, I have a simple email address or website address. It's just my name.com. So CHADWINN.com. No dots, no spaces, no underscores. So just www.chadwin.com.
That sounds easy enough. They should be able to find that. Well, awesome. Anything else you'd like to share before we wrap it up?
No, I just appreciate, you contacting me and taking the time, to do this. So, I really appreciate that, and nice to meet you on Friday. And, but yeah, I just appreciate you taking the time to put me on.
Absolutely. Well, somebody had so many great things to say about you and your firm that I was like, I better get him on here. So, definitely appreciate your time and look forward to working together here in the near future.
Well, thank you.
All right. Thank you. And